Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the different save path function on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the first option, the settings, and in the offline mode section tap to the second option, the different save path, and just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.